can pick him up.
All right, let's take a look at this guy. I'm gonna try to rescue a turtle that got caught in our yard. Let's take a look at him. Hey man, you doing okay? Ooh, he's a big boy.
Peppers go. Peppers go.
It's a female.
He is?
She? She? I think it's a female. Be cool to like clean off her back just to see her colors more, but yeah, I think we're gonna. Well, she won't need any rods. I'm pretty sure it's a she. Could be wrong. Peppers found her. Yeah.
No, I found her.
You found her? Last night? Before the rain started?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well we're gonna migrate her to her new home here shortly.